Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install e-trade statements for accurate 1099 reporting, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install e-trade statements for accurate 1099 reporting, first, open your web browser. Go to the e-trade website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Statements. You will be directed to your Statements page. Here, locate the option for download or export. Choose the time period for which you need the statements. Select the format you prefer, such as CSV or PDF. Click on the download button to save the statements to your computer. Once downloaded, open the files to ensure everything is in order. For accurate 1099 reporting, gather all relevant statements for the tax year. Next, check for any missing transactions or discrepancies in the reports. If you find any issues, revisit the statements page to correct or download again. Now, compile all your downloaded statements into one folder for easy access. To prepare for filing, you may want to sort the statements by date or account type. When ready, import the statements into your tax preparation software. Follow any prompts to ensure proper alignment of your data. After importing, review the information for accuracy. Finally, save your tax documents securely for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.